$10,000 in 7 days. No paid ads, no massive following, and no product of my own. Just my phone, WAP, and their program that pays up to $50 per 1,000 views. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, so you can copy the entire playbook. This is the breakdown that I wish someone else gave me when I was just starting. Broke, overwhelmed, and stuck at the job I hated. Let's get straight into it. So what is WAP and why does it work? WAP is like an online mall for digital products. It's basically the Shopify for digital products. Courses, templates, AI tools, and much more. But here's the best part. They don't just pay you for selling stuff. They pay you to post content about it. It's called content rewards. Right now, they're paying creators up to $3.50 per 1,000 views on Instagram and TikTok, and up to $50 per 1,000 views on YouTube. That means that even if you don't sell anything, you can still get paid. And if you do sell, you can stack commissions on top of it. The second part is, how do I set it up? I started with 0 products on my own. Instead, I signed up for an affiliate offer on WAP that pays from 50 to 90% commissions. Mine personally, I got paid up to 90% commissions. Most of them range from $27 to $5,000. I picked one product that I knew would hit, a faceless content system. Why? Because it's beginner friendly, emotionally relatable, and perfect for viral content. I could relate to this because when I first started posting content, I did it completely faceless, before I got the courage to start posting myself. So I promoted this product on my own page, posting 2-3 times a day, and a simple link in my bio to the affiliate product. And I was able to track all the sales in my WAP dashboard. Next, my content strategy. This is what made the biggest difference. I focused on 3 content pillars. Storytelling, sharing my story from being a broke student to making money online, tutorials, how to make money online using this one site, and proof plus breakdown, screenshots, payout visuals, and platform walkthroughs. On TikTok, I used longer videos to go more in depth. These paid me $3.50 per 1,000 views under WAP's content rewards. So one 20K video, that paid me over $100. And if people buy the product from the link in my bio, that's just extra commissions on top. Next, the viral spike. One video blew up. It was a TikTok video. And what's crazy is that I have 40,000 followers on Instagram, but it was on TikTok with my page with 200 followers that blew up. I had a post that hit 1 million views in 4 days. That one video made me $3,500 and all my other videos started blowing up from that moment. And from content rewards itself, that was 10K. Plus a few hundred from affiliate commissions, and boom, I made over $10,000 that week. And this is with 0 ad spend, just showing people how to do what I was already doing. Now that I broke everything down, what can you do now? You don't need followers, you don't need a fancy setup, you just need a sign up for WAP, pick a digital product with good commissions, post content on how it works or how it helped you, submit your links for content rewards, and stay consistent and stack both sales and views. If you want the full setup, the exact tools that I use to convert views into sales, comment 10K or hit the link in the description and I'll send you the full breakdown. This is just the beginning. Don't scroll past your opportunity.